Okay guys, making another short video real quick. So I finally got what I've been wanting for a long time, just to make a little bit cooler and nicer. And obviously something you do need is gauges for a diesel, especially a pyrometer, or yeah, I don't know. That's right. Anyways, you definitely need that for your EGTs, whether it be, a single, double, or triple like I have right here, for your diesel. Always good to have gauges to watch the vitals of the motor and blah blah. But I'm going back to what I did to my LOY and get a triple and do exactly what I did there, and it just looks so much cooler. And so I got and I still kept this for my edge, so I can just put it here. Then I'll have my boost and then my pyro, and then I also have the paint for this, so I will match. So here it is, obviously, and then I haven't got it bolted, or not bolted in, but I'm gonna paint it first and everything, but paint it and get it in there. And then it's also got the tweeter hole right there, so I might just put it in, just see what it looks like, and just maybe hole it up or something, just because it looks so cool. And I'm super excited to get back in there. And I'm tired of this. It's fallen on me once, but I don't like that. And so finally I can just get this right here, and it looks so much cleaner. But yeah, so if you want to order this, it's actually 17107. So that's the triple, but I love it. I'm super excited. And all you'll get with it is the instructions and then the little push pins. You get 6. So yeah, we'll get it painted and put in, but that's just kind of a short video of how it looks and what we're gonna do. So I kind of sand it down just a little bit, but this is the spray paint, the color bond. This is the only one I trust with interior stuff, but this is the color it is, and it's obviously not going to match because it's freaking now I can't do math. It's a couple years old. Just to say that my truck's not brand new, so obviously it's not going to match. And that's how it was my old truck. This is like kind of a darker, nicer color, and then the inside was like a lighter, more faded color. But I mean, it's better than black, so it looks a lot cleaner. But yeah, we're gonna shake this up. Okay, everyone. So I got it in now. It's all painted. It's not, obviously, like I said, it's not gonna match perfect, but it's better than being black and sticking out. And as you can see, I got my Edge CTS in there, so that's where that's gonna go. Boost, and then my pyro. But yeah, we'll get that in. I'll probably get in the actual boost gauge and then the pyro at the same time, or whatever I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you a better video. I'll make a better video on how I wired them, because I just got done watching my other videos, and holy crap, what a horrible video. Is all I can say. So but we'll get that wired up. But other than that, if you want to get that, and it comes with a little speaker hole, that's what we're gonna do. And then hopefully there's maybe a next mod. We'll see. But like I said, just stay tuned, like, share, do what you guys do, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe. So if you want that triple pillar, I'll link everything down below, and so you can get it yourself. Thanks for watching.